Guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could remove duplicated values from a table. So here I have this table, and originally I have 6 or 7 original values and they have duplicates. So to remove duplicates, I can either choose that the duplicates value will be removed based on name. So whatever name is duplicated, the second or the duplicate will be removed with the whole line. Or I can choose by city. The system will verify by city, and whenever he finds a duplicate, he will remove the whole line. Or even by country. So for now, I'll select my table. I will go to data in the top, remove duplicates, click on it. My data has headers, and select all. So here I can either choose that the duplicates again will be removed by name, or by city, or by country. So let's go ahead just first with name to see how it looks like. And now we have only 6 original values. Let's highlight them to see how it looks like. So now I will just go back and I will select again everything and remove by city. So again, data, remove duplicates, and select all city. And again, the system has kept only 6 values, which are original. You can apply this way to any table and you should be able to remove duplicates properly. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of my help or assistance, you can always write me a comment or send me an email. I will do my best to help you. If you would like to encourage me to create more content, then press like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.